Damn it.
At 176 Queenstown, someone will be waiting for you there.
The video you're watching right now might look like a high-budget scene straight out of a Hollywood movie, but it's not. There were no cameras, no actors, no massive production crew behind it. It was created using nothing more than a well-crafted prompt. Just a few days ago, Higgsfield made headlines with the launch of Kling 3.0, pushing the boundaries of what AI video generation can do. And now, they're already gearing up for their next big release, Seedance 2. And this one is coming with a huge upgrade. Seedance 2 is expected to introduce powerful new features that could dramatically change the way creators produce AI videos. From improved realism to more advanced control and smoother motion, this update has the potential to take AI filmmaking to a whole new level. Before we move ahead, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Higgsfield AI is quickly emerging as one of the most talked about platforms in the generative AI space. As one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies, it operates with a bold mission: to become the world's most creator-friendly AI platform. At its core, Higgsfield empowers creators to transform ideas into high-quality visual content using artificial intelligence. Whether it's a simple text prompt, a reference image, or a detailed creative concept, the platform can turn it into cinematic, production-ready video with remarkable ease. From advanced motion control and AI influencer studios to consistent character generation, brand storytelling, and scalable content creation, Higgsfield provides a powerful and flexible toolkit. It's built to help creators imagine bigger, generate faster, and grow their presence through cinematic AI video. On the Higgsfield website, there's already a notice confirming that Seedance 2.0 is on the way. And based on what we've seen so far, this release could be a big one. So now, let's dive in and take a closer look at the major updates expected to arrive with Seedance 2.0. These are the key features and improvements that could completely transform the way we create AI video content. With one-click video recreation, a single sentence can be turned into a fully polished, high-quality video in seconds. Whether you're recreating a trending clip or reimagining an iconic scene, the AI intelligently understands the original style, structure, pacing, and overall creative intent. That means no more spending hours planning shots, arranging timelines, or fine-tuning transitions. The entire process comes together seamlessly and automatically. Instead of getting stuck in technical details, you can focus on what truly matters: your ideas, your creativity, and your storytelling. Seedance 2.0 introduces an advanced capability known as unified multi-input control. In simple terms, it allows you to provide multiple types of input to the AI at the same time. Instead of working with just a single prompt, you can combine images, video clips, audio tracks, and text, all within one project. The system intelligently analyzes each asset and determines how it should contribute to the final output. For instance, one image might define the main character, while another shapes the environment or background. A video clip can influence movement and camera dynamics, and an audio file can establish tone, rhythm, or emotional atmosphere. You don't have to manually assign every detail. The AI organizes and applies everything automatically. Even when blending several assets together, Seedance 2.0 maintains strong character consistency. Facial features, body proportions, outfits, and overall style remain stable throughout the entire video. This level of continuity is especially valuable for storytelling, advertisements, and branded content where consistency is essential. With unified multi-input control, creators can produce more layered, cinematic, and professional quality videos, all while saving significant time and effort. Seedance 2.0 also brings frame-level precision, giving creators an exceptional degree of control over every second of their video. With this feature, every character, object, and visual element remains stable and consistent from beginning to end. There are no unexpected shifts, distortions, or random changes as the scene progresses. Instead, each frame is generated with accuracy and intention, ensuring the final result matches your creative vision. This level of precision allows you to fine-tune important details such as typography, text positioning, scene transitions, and the overall pacing of the video. This is particularly valuable for advertisements, branded campaigns, cinematic storytelling, and social media content, where even the smallest visual details can make a big impact. Seedance 2.0 also introduces multi-camera storytelling, a revolutionary tool that gives video creators the ability to capture scenes from multiple angles seamlessly. With this, you can generate new storylines or extend existing videos with natural shot connections. Character movements, narration, environmental sounds, and camera angles stay in perfect audio-visual sync across every cut. Each scene transitions seamlessly into the next, giving your content a refined and professional finish. With multi-camera storytelling, you gain the flexibility to capture scenes from multiple perspectives, build richer narratives, and hold your audience's attention throughout. Seedance 2.0 also unlocks the ability to generate dynamic, high-energy motion scenes, making it ideal for action shots and fight sequences. The AI accurately simulates natural body mechanics, impact reactions, and fast-moving camera work, ensuring every moment feels realistic and immersive. Even in scenes where multiple characters interact simultaneously, movements remain fluid, coordinated, and believable. Seedance 2.0 isn't out yet, but the focus seems to be on more reliable, production-ready workflows. If you want to explore the sources and discussions behind these expectations, the links are available in the description.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.